What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda. I do all around fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave and join my YouTube family. Today I'm doing an unboxing / review video, so keep on watching.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Alright guys, so I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys here on my YouTube channel. I love hats. I've always loved hats since I can remember. I've worn all types of hats, all styles and shapes and sizes, but by far I think my favorite hat is a fedora hat, like a wide barrel fedora hat. I am obsessed with them. I've had them in all colors, like literally every single color you could think of under the sun. I've had it. But the hat that I've always wanted to get is this baby right here, and it is from Lack of Colors. If you guys are not familiar with Lack of Colors, they're an amazing brand. They carry amazing hats, all styles, and I've been wanting to purchase this hat forever, guys, forever. But it's a little bit of a splurge, and that's the reason why I held off for so long. But I regret holding off for so long because every hat that I've purchased, it's gotten damaged or it's lost its color or the barrels are not big enough, and it's just so many issues back and forth that I wish I would have just invested my money in this hat, and you know, I would have saved myself a ton of money. I've bought hats from Forever 21, from H&M. I've even bought men's hats as well, and even then I don't love the look of it. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna bite the bullet. I'm going to get my hat. And the one that I got specifically, before I show you guys which one it is, I wanted to go ahead and actually read it to you guys specifically, because I know I will get asked which hat this is, and they have hundreds of hats on their website. So the one that I got is called the Teak Rancher in the color brown. Okay, that's the one that I got. And I also ordered a hat filler because their hats, like I said, this is my very first hat from them. So I don't know, I'm nervous, but I know that I'm going to love it. But because it is my first hat ever from them, I don't know how their sizes run. On the website, it did say small, medium, large, and I guess it goes by centimeters. I got the 57 centimeter, which is considered a size medium. So I'm hoping that my big old head does fit, you know, well. I don't know, I'm kind of scared, but we'll see. So this hat does retail for $129. Pause for reaction. I know that is a lot, guys. Like, I know, I'm telling you, that's why I held off for such a long time, because it is so much money for a hat. Like, I just but because, you know, even on the move, when I moved recently, all of my hats got ruined. Like, some of them got squished, or some of them lost its color because they were left in my car and the sun was hitting them. And it's just, I was like, you know what? No, I'm gonna buy a really good one that I know that will last me a long time. And so anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and jump on in. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below in case you guys are interested in the hat that I specifically got for myself. So as far as shipping, they were actually really quick. I have no complaints. It actually got here sooner than I expected. It did come from Australia. That is where the brand is from. So I think it got to me within, so I paid for express shipping, guys. By the time you guys see this video, I will be in San Francisco. So go follow me on Instagram. I'll link it down below so you guys can get to see my stories. And I will be wearing this hat on my trip. That's solely the reason why I got it. Not only did I want it so bad, but I wanted it for my trip. And heading into the holidays, I love to wear hats. So I thought it's the best time to buy it. So when you get the hat, it looks like this. Ooh, what did I drop? So let me see what this is. Oh, it just says, make sure you still get your daily dose of sunshine, improves your mood, reduces stress, I don't know. I guess it's just telling me to get some sunshine. Enjoy the sun. Okay, so they package it really nice. Let me see if I can go ahead and show you guys. You guys see that? The hat is pretty sturdy. It's in there. It ain't going nowhere. I love that they do that to protect the barrel, because the barrel is I hope this one is really good quality because my other ones were like the worst. Like, oh my God, I've gone through so many hats. So anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this part right here. Let's see. Next up, it comes with another little, okay, so it comes with the receipt. Yeah, the receipt. Again, the teak wrencher, 57 centimeter. And I got a hat filler, which I'm assuming it's inside. That's it, and a thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff down. Now that I think about it, you guys, I don't think this is for my hat. I opened up the package, but that same day I actually got a package from West Elm, so I think that's from West Elm. I'm not sure. But anyways, the receipt came in the box. Like I said, it came packaged pretty nicely, so I'm really happy with it. If you guys ever saw my Fashion Nova haul, go check it out. That was the last time I purchased a hat, and let me tell you guys, it was the worst. When I got it, it was all just in all sorts of bad condition. I was so sad. I loved the color, but I ended up returning that hat. Go check it out, my Fashion Nova haul. Here you can tell that they really do put like a lot of thought into their packaging. I love the hat. I'm gonna take this with me to protect it, like to put it inside. I'm definitely gonna be taking that with me. So here is the hat filler, I'm assuming. I'll talk a little bit about that in a little bit. But here she is. Oh my God. So this is actually my first time seeing it, okay guys, with you here on camera. The color, oh my God, the color is everything. Do you guys see that? Oh my God, I love this color. I can imagine it during the holidays with some red lipstick. So right now my hair is, you know, it's kind of dry. I'm thinking of going to go cut it. I think I mentioned it in my last video. But anyways, let's see if it fits. Ooh. Oh my God. Okay, let's see. This is my first time trying it on with you guys. So okay, so it fits on pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna need that hat filler. Oh my God. Okay, so this Stella hat, you could actually wear it two ways. So you can wear it just like this, how I have it laid on top, like right on top of my head, or you could push it back. Let me fix my hair a little bit. So if I'm looking at the camera, guys, I'm looking down at the screen just to make sure I don't look all sorts of crazy. So you can actually place it on top of your head, just like that. Oh my God, I am obsessed with it. Oh my God, look at all these fireworks. I love it, but I really do think that I'm actually going to be wearing it like this. Okay, so you guys, there we go. I was like, I was feeling a tad weird. There we go. Okay, so I was able to bring it down all the way. You guys see that? There we go. My hair is so poofy, like so poofy today. Let me fix that. Okay. What do you guys think? So this is I think this is my biggest hat that I own. It definitely is. I can feel how big it is, but it's very comfortable. I love how the rim is just so sturdy and big. I love that. And I want to cut my hair soon, so maybe with a cute short hair. I mean, I love it with my long hair too, but I think it'll look better maybe once I cut my hair. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. But yeah, I love the fit. So like I said, I did order a hat filler. So pretty much it says, test how much filler you need, cut desired length from roll, flick inner sweatband of hat up. So it gives you directions exactly how to like put it into your hat. So basically what this is gonna do is, obviously I don't need it. It only costs $5, so I didn't mind paying the extra $5. But it's gonna make your hat fit tighter. So I got it just in case. Like I said, I wasn't sure how this was gonna fit, but it fits perfect. It fits really sturdy. Like, it ain't going nowhere, okay? It fits really nice. Like, I absolutely love it. I'm so happy. So I don't think I'm gonna need this, but I am gonna hold on to it because you guys know that with time, the hat does tend to loosen up the more you wear it. So, I mean, I don't know about this one specifically, but my other ones, like I said, they're my more cheaper ones. They did tend to bend and fold and all sorts of craziness, but this one, I don't think it's gonna do that. I hope it doesn't do that. I mean, I paid a lot of money for it, so it better not do that. But yeah, I love the color. I can't wait to style it up with all of my fall outfits, my blazer. It even looks good with my blazer during summertime. You can wear this hat during summertime. You can wear them during fall time, winter time. I just love hats all around, so it's my jam, guys. Like, I feel like a hat really does oomph up an outfit. Like, 10 times more. So yeah, I love it. I'll go ahead and link it down below. I really want to do this unboxing here with you guys in case you guys have been interested in buying a Lack of Colors hat. Like I said, I'll link them down below. They have all sorts of hats. This is my first one, and I can already assure you guys I will definitely be buying some more. I love how sturdy they feel. They're so lightweight though. I don't even feel like it's on top of my head. And it's the perfect size, the perfect look. I love it. Again, I'll link down the size that I got, and I mean, hopefully that'll help you guys out in case you're interested in buying a hat for yourself. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you guys can see how I style this baby up. I cannot wait to style it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little review unboxing video. Hit that like button, guys. It really does help me out a lot. I know I have been focusing a lot on home decor videos, but I will be bringing y'all some fashion related content real soon. I do have a Zara haul coming up and a pretty little thing coming up, so don't think I've forgotten about my fashion. Okay guys, until next time, bye.